babes, and welcome back to Sugar Fingers. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel. Thanks so much for stopping in. Y'all, today, as I promised y'all, the other day I was working with this little mini USB UV LED lamp. Okay, it's not gonna work for me. So I did actually end up purchasing a lamp for my gel polishes and so forth. And honey, let's see. I haven't checked it out. I promised myself I was going to share it with my sugar sweets right here on Sugar Fingers. So if you don't mind, come on down to the desk and let's unbox it together. All right, this is it. This is made by BOLASEN, or sold by BOLASEN, who is an Amazon seller, and of course I got it from Amazon. Y'all already know the deal. Y'all know the drill. So make sure you check the description box and check out my Amazon store because it'll be on there. Yes, it's the BOLASEN Sonics Plus. This actually says here on the box, comfortable eye contact, relieve burning sensation, professional gel polish LED lamp. Oh, this is it. It looks so cute. It looks so cute. So I'm ready to tear into it. I'm so excited. So I don't want to wait any longer. Let's go ahead and get into it and pull it out so y'all can actually see what I have here. All I know is bigger than the other one, and it's not going to be where I just have to use one finger to get my polish cured. So that is it. This is the box right here. I'm getting ready to toss over to the side, but this again features the comfortable eye contact. It also relieves the burning sensation, and that is when the gel polish may be on your side of your finger or something and you feel that heat sensation. So that is supposed to help with that. It also has a double light source, LED cure, and UV gel builder LED gel for all of those. Okay, 42 pieces strategically placed LED lights, no dead zone, and 50,000 hours lifetime. So I will be definitely using this for a long time if it holds true to what it says here. So I am super ready. It's anti-glare, hand sensor on it, high power LED, and it also comes with a 24-volt plug. So let's get her opened up here and I'll talk more about it in just a moment. Again, I got it from Amazon and it was around $37.99. I actually got on there, it has a 5% discount, so I did apply that. Now here is the power cord here. Let's see how's the length on this one. She don't want to come loose here, but that's okay. Yeah, I'm super excited. I could not wait because I had actually, girl, I got to do my nails. Look at there. Look what she did. Like the old acrylic, I guess it just decided to break a loose, pop a loose. So I'm trying to save that thumbnail if at all possible. Oh yeah, this is a pretty long cord. About 1, 2, 3. About 4, maybe 4.5 feet or so. I'm not sure. So let's get her out. Ooh. Ta-da! Oh, isn't she adorable? And look at the size, y'all. Look, that's that one, and this is that one. Okay, this is the one that I will be using more than likely forever. No, you cannot put 2 hands in it. Oh, you could if you just be careful, but it's a nice size. I love that. Comes with, of course, the user manual information. And happy, not happy, my survey here. I'm sure I'm going to be happy with it unless it's just something really strange going on with it. It has the little lift handle here, which is plastic. I doubt if I use this a whole lot because it doesn't appear that it'll be really sturdy. So I'm not going to more than likely use that. So let's talk about what we have in this lamp. I am looking here and it does say it has the motion sensor on it, which I'll demonstrate in just a moment, where you actually just put your hand inside of it and it turns on or turns off. The LED digital screen is right here. That is awesome. You have a 10-second timer. You also have a 30-second timer, a 60-second timer, and a 99-second in no pain mode, which is here. And as I mentioned earlier, this cool little handle in case you need to pick it up, move it around. That sounds great. But again, I doubt if I need that. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can plug her in, which will be right back here. Making sure I got everything turned right, because the last little project we did, I had everything backwards, and that didn't work out too well. Okay, so I have my plug over here. Let's just plug her in. Okay, she's all plugged in. The LED digital screen pops up. All right, we're just gonna see what happens and make sure everything is okay. I just want to unbox it. It's really simple, you know, as far as what, you know, purpose that it's going to serve. It's really easy to operate. No biggie with that. And we're gonna go try to get some nails taken care of, since I do have me a lamp. Let me just see if I put my hand in. What is it going? Okay, it's counting up right there. I'm not sure what it's on, but you can put 10 seconds on and it counts down. Great. Take my hand out, the light goes out. Did you see that? All right, and put the hand in, it just starts back where it was. You know, the light is not bad at all. So 30 seconds, we got 30 seconds counting down, and of course 60 seconds counting down. Okay, and then the 99 low heat. 99 seconds is what that'll stay on, and it is definitely low heat in there, so it's just like, you know, looks like you have to put your whole hand in there before it'll turn it on. So that is it. Most of the time, of course, I'm doing 60 seconds for the most part, and stop it just like so. Turn it on and turn it off. Okay, with that. And let's see, I'm not sure what happens if I just leave it plugged in. I'm not sure if it goes ahead and just shuts down on its own, or do I have to simply turn it off completely? I'm not even sure. But for the most part, I'm probably going to unplug it, because I'm not going to leave it here on my desk, because this is where I do everything at. So it's not like I'm going to need it on the desk at all times. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it plugged in. I'm going to get ready to actually do my nails. But overall, y'all, I think it's adorable. I think it's cute. I think it's lightweight, and it's not too bulky, not too big. I was interested in one that you could put 2 hands in, but I wouldn't technically be doing that anyway. I wouldn't do both of my hands and then have to cure them at the same time. Wouldn't be a need, because I'm always working on one hand or the other. So that is how that goes. And this is it, the BOLASEN Professional Nail LED UV lamp, and it is sold on Amazon. I will have the link down below in the description box for y'all. So hope you enjoyed the video. It was nice, sweet, short, to the point. And listen, check that link out down below if you're starting to do your own gel, polish gel, all of that good stuff polish. So I'm your girl Sweet Angel, signing out for now. Thanks so much for hanging out on Sugar Fingers, and I will see y'all on the next. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And you know, you gotta keep those hands gorgeous. Bye. Gave up on hoping, thought I'd never get it right.